Yorubo ninyo sa'yo. Guys, ito na yung part 3 ng mga vocabulary na galing sa book to na sinusort out ko at minimorize ko dati nung ako nag-exam. So, lahat ng vocabulary ng book to ay nandito na lahat. Gusewon. A residence for students studying for the higher civil service examination. Guapchungi kyunggo. Warning, high tension electricity. Koon kyunggo. Warning, high temperature. Kuyuhada, to hire. Kuyung Hokkachi, employment permit system. Kuyangi Niryukada, to go to one's hometown. Kokuingi, peacocks. Kulguro Supchihada, to take in a variety of food products. Kulpanze, corrugated cardboard. Kunggoham, a toolbox. Kung gigamakta, the air is fresh. Kung sazang, construction site. Kung jihada, to deduct. Kung jiga nada, to make an announcement. Kwasuwon, orchard. Kwalien, staff member. Kwalihada, to manage. Kuingi, matag. Gyutungi bulpunada, transportation system is inconvenient. Gyutungi pulihada, transportation system is convenient. Kudungi pajida, to fall into a hole. Kumungulputta, to drill a hole. Gozik Tungrukpiljong, job seeking registration certificate. Kung Minyunggo, national pension. Kung Guguma, roasted sweet potato. Kupda, to grill. Kuitupke, safety air maps. Kuimagi, safety air plugs. Anjon Suchigol Jikida, to follow safety regulations. Anjunde, safety harness. Anjunmo, safety hat. Anjon Jangkap, rubber coated gloves. Anjon Jangwa, safety boots. Anjunwa, safety shoes. Alyujuda, to inform. Yagan Gullosigan, night work hours. Yagan, overtime at night. Yayowe, picnic, excursion. Yakchong Yuel, contractual time off. Yang, sheep. Yangge, chicken racing. Yanggoge, lamb. Yangdon, hog racing. Yangmangge, honey hauler. Yango, cattle racing. Yangpa, onion. Original, children's day. Oboinal, parents day. Uok, fishing industry. Opmonyong, details of work. Opchimyong, the name of a company. Ungmangida, to be messy. Ongkida, to tanggol. Iyo comprito, air compressor. Yokon, air conditioner. Yogon, passport.